Buffalo farming, also known as buffalo rearing or buffalo husbandry, refers to the agricultural practice of raising domestic water buffaloes for various purposes, including milk, meat, and other byproducts. Water buffaloes are large herbivores that have been domesticated for centuries, playing a crucial role in agriculture and rural economies around the world. Buffalo farming is prevalent in several countries, with a significant impact on food production, livelihoods, and sustainable agriculture. Breeds of buffaloes. Different breeds of water buffaloes exist, each with its own set of characteristics. Notable breeds include the Murrah, Nilgiri, Surti, and Jafrabadi, among others. Purpose of buffalo farming. One of the primary reasons for buffalo farming is milk production. Buffalo milk is rich in fat and proteins, making it ideal for the production of dairy products like cheese, butter, and ghee. Buffalo meat, commonly known as buffalo or beef, is a significant source of protein in many diets. Work and transport. In some regions, buffaloes are also used as draft animals for plowing fields and transporting goods. Nutritional value of buffalo products. Buffalo milk is nutritionally dense, containing higher fat and solids content compared to cow's milk. Buffalo meat is leaner than beef and is a good source of essential nutrients, including protein, iron, and zinc. Challenges in buffalo farming. Buffaloes are susceptible to various diseases, and effective healthcare practices are essential to prevent and control outbreaks. Proper nutrition is crucial for buffalo health and productivity, and farmers need to ensure a balanced diet. Sustainability in buffalo farming. Sustainable buffalo farming involves practices that promote environmental conservation, animal welfare, and economic viability for farmers. Conclusion. Buffalo farming is a multifaceted agricultural activity with significant contributions to food security, rural economies, and sustainable agriculture. As the demand for buffalo products continues to rise, it is crucial for farmers to adopt modern and sustainable practices to ensure the well-being of the animals and the long-term success of the industry. By addressing challenges such as disease management and focusing on sustainable farming methods, buffalo farming can continue to be a vital component of global agriculture, providing nutritious products and supporting the livelihoods of millions of people. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.